Bidet Handheld Toilet Spraywash. The Bidetko handheld assembly kit is everything you need to transform your toilet into bidet. The kit includes a beautiful design handheld spray wash made out of ABS plastic with chrome finish, double braided stainless steel hose that has passed the US standard test, ceramic control valve with also chrome finish, special T-fitting, and matching set wall mount bracket. Visit us at www.bidetko.com. Asquith and Somerset Hand Wash. This extremely nourishing luxury liquid soap is lavishly fragranced with a rich and soothing scent. Using the finest ingredients to help clear dirty pores, purify and enrich your skin with gentle ingredients. 1 16.9 fluid ounce pump bottle.